Yo, what is up, boys? It's your boy, me, I guess. I guess that's pretty cool. Yeah, anyways, in today's video, we're going to be playing a new game for the channel called Clicker Simulator. Now, I've played this game a lot before. I'm pretty decent at it. I have some pretty good pets, in my opinion. Although they have been updating it recently. This is basically a clicker game, like, you know, those clicking games in Roblox. But this ain't any old clicking game. It's a very detailed one with very good pets. Like, look at the quality on these computer music keyboard pets. I don't know what these things are. Mini-men. So basically, you can click E to enter, and you can enter Tech World, which UFOs you into a tech portal. So yeah, I guess that's pretty cool. And there's also a clock world, time travel world, which I don't have enough money to go into anyways. Or I mean, like, either way, I have to unlock this last portal first, which I haven't played this game in like a month. I'm kind of behind. I'm in the holographic zone. This is the holographic world. This is my best world so far. You can either buy portals, or you can jump to them. Like, jumping is like way too hard. Oh, this is like the Saber Simulator double jump thing. But still, I don't know, I don't really like the... See, this is too hard. Yeah, like, and then you have to go all the way up there to that island to get the next one. Yeah. I'd rather just buy it, which I'm not even close. You see, I have like 26.0 like 9 TD. Like, sure, you might think that's a lot of money, but it's not. Trust me, because you need like 800 of that. Also, let's check in here. I think I'm making one. Oh, it's in 1 day. Oh, I can unlock with Robux. I'm fine. I'm fine. 2 times luck weekend. Well, we might have to check that out. The pet in there. I think that's like the trapped alien from Russo Plays video. But yeah, there's also some rebirth pets. The Starburst. Can I buy it? Not enough gems. How much is that? Oh, I haven't rebirthed in a while. I forgot you can get rebirths. Unlimited rebirths. How much is that? 800 Robux. Are you kidding me? I'm definitely gonna buy rebirth buttons because I need new rebirth buttons. Can I buy one of these? Wait, did I buy it? Did I buy it? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, that's gonna help a lot. So if I keep on rebirthing, then it's going to definitely help me, because the thing about these clicker games, let me put my auto clicker on this quickly. So I just auto rebirth. And I also have my mini auto clicker turned on right here. I can also use my normal auto clicker like this. What's the point of buying this when literally it comes with your computer, like an OP auto clicker? Like, literally you can just use it like a normal auto clicker like this. And you can just auto click. I probably got good at this game. Oh, someone hatched a legendary. Nice. Here's crafting. We need 4 of a certain pet. Wait, what? Wait, what's that pet? Was it like the legendary from like this egg? Wait, what is it? Oh yeah, it's like this one. Oh, that's 0.11. Oh wait, let me just quickly auto delete all these. Just trying to get this. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Oh. 0.11% chance. Hologram deer. Well, I guess I'll just come back once I get it, I guess. Alright guys, long story short, I didn't get the pet. I forget which pet I was even getting. I came back like an hour later, I think. I'm a clicker Maestro, I don't know, Maestro. I don't know what that is. I'm only in 7th grade. I'm not even in high school yet. But yeah, basically, for the past while now, I've been auto rebirthing. And I've also been auto-clicking, getting a lot of clicks. And also, during the process, somehow, oh wait, no, that's a lot, and let me do that one more time. Somehow in the process, I'm able to equip 5 pets now. So now I'm equipping this flying machine, which I guess is pretty cool. I mean, like, the stats aren't too good. They're just like 16 trillion, but like, yeah. I'm still waiting for my other, like, mini-man to come out of the rainbow machine. Wait, where's the rainbow machine again? Okay, it's right here. We go view again. 1 day, 2 hours. I don't have any tokens. Oh no, my dog's gonna start barking. Dang it. Wait, shop. How do we buy tokens again? I might want to buy tokens. How do we buy, pets? Okay, exclusive pets. Oh, those are pretty cool. Wait, 30 trillion. Wait. No, wait, no, never mind. Those suck. They actually do. Wait, how do you buy tokens? How do you buy tokens? Wait, if I go to pets, wait, does it show? Wait, how do I buy tokens? How do you buy tokens? I know there's a way, like, I know tokens are a thing. I saw it in, like, Russo Plays video. I watch Russo Plays, I know. But, like, where are the tokens? How do you buy tokens? I do not know. Let's go back to the normal area quickly. You have to go to the trading world. I might just go to the trading world and try to see if I can get myself some pets. We'll be teleported shortly. We do not care. Clicker Simulator, Trade World. At least it's not called Trading Plaza like the Pet Simulator thing. Alright. This guy's the best. It doesn't show because I'm not loaded in yet. My animation is broken. I wish I walked like this in bed worse so people would believe me about the whole hacking situation. But let's see. I need to trade people. Can anyone donate mini man pets? Question mark. I need mini man pets. What's this? The bank? Select an option below to continue. Deposit pets or withdraw pets. I don't have anything. Someone said okay. Whoa, actually? Someone actually said, oh my god, I didn't think that would work. Wait. No way. Is he actually going to donate? Yo! Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you so much, bro. Oh my god. Yo. Those are... Alright. No, I know he's not gonna get them. I know. He said no problem. Oh my god, he's one of those people. Let's go. Alright, nice. Now we got a full team of mini men. Man, I don't know if I should say mans or men. Mini men kind of sound weird. It kind of sounds like I'm saying mini men. Mini men. Also, I need tokens. Let me ask in the chat how to get token. Do I have to, I know I have to buy them somewhere. Do I have to like trade someone? Let me trade this guy randomly. Trade this guy. I'm just gonna trade someone to see if I can. Tokens. How do I buy these tokens? What do you want to offer for this? Yo! Oh my gosh, those are some OP pets. How do you buy tokens though? Wait, what? Wait, how do you? I'm confused. Wait, let me look at a video quickly to see how you buy tokens. And I'll also turn on my auto clicker. I don't know why I wasn't doing that before. And I'll also auto rebirth using my auto clicker. So yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, guys. So I just got some really cool pets. I've been auto grinding for a while. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I got a shiny Griffin. Yo, someone's trading me. I don't need that. I mean, like, no, I don't need that. Don't need that. I don't need that. I'm sorry, bro. I don't need that. Do you have anything better? No, he doesn't have a problem. Sending this kid a trade because I can. Also, my clicks are going up. I'm just gonna trade one more time. Hope someone gives me something. But yeah. Alright, no one's giving me nothing. I'm going in here. I'm going back to the main world. We definitely succeeded. And what level is that pet I just got? What level is that Griffin? Because this guy had 2 Griffins. I traded my rainbow mini-man and a golden mini-man for it. But literally, it was so worth it because look how insanely OP these pets are. They're like 10Q. And then Hacked Chaos Lord. What level? Okay, level 30 max level. He's level 7? Yo, if I turn my clicker on. Okay, yo, he's definitely gonna level up. Griffin, okay, nice. But what I don't want is this pet right here. But, like, in the thing, like, we are making a rainbow right now. So I guess that is cool. But we're going to Tech World. We're going to buy that portal. Oh my god, we have a times 5K multi. That's good. This is 200 G. Oh, I have to unlock this one first. Sure, I'll buy that one. Music Island. This is 91. Okay, I don't have that. Let's go to Music Island. What the heck is this place? Thanks to the people who gave me the pets, by the way. Oh my gosh. Wait, if I go to Rebirth, wait, there's probably new Rebirth buttons. Rebirth shop. Rebirth buttons. Let's get some Rebirth buttons. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh. These are so expensive. Okay, I just got such a good Rebirth button. My last one was 75Q. I'm like, oh my gosh, you can already get this. Dude. Okay, this is OP. Yeah, now I'm getting clicked so fast. Here's these amazing pets. Like the Griffin pet. That is so OP. What do you get that pet from? Where do you get the Griffin pet? I have this one. I have, yeah, the mini-man. The 0.77. He's a 0.77. Well, I definitely need a mini-man. So I'll probably try to get that. And then there's a Roblox egg for whatever that is. And then the rainbow machine, we have ourselves our pet. And we're getting so many clicks, our pet should be evolving. Yes. Our Griffin is definitely evolving. And yeah, that's basically the end of the first clicker simulator video. I might make more. We definitely did improve pet-wise. If I got a full team of Griffins, that would have been amazing. But yeah, that was the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.